brand new video. Today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. But before we start with our video, make sure you guys follow the health protocol given to you, like wearing a mask, doing social distancing, washing your hands thoroughly for like 20 seconds. If I just said any misinformations or anything like that, I'm sorry. And also make sure you guys subscribe and press the bell icon so every time I upload a brand new video, you guys actually can get notified by YouTube. So that's crazy. And also make sure you guys like the video so I know you guys enjoy it. Now let's really get on with our video. Now, as you can read in the title below, I am going to be doing a science toy review. So, what I'm going to be reviewing or doing, I'm going to be doing this National Geographic Meteorite Dig Kit. This is so cool, and I saw it, I'm like, Mom, can I please buy it? And I'm like, I'm going to make a video out of it. Which is here, I am making a video out of it. So, I'm going to be doing this for today's video. I'll explain to you more about this toy in just a second. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the box. So it is for ages 8 and up, as you can see up there. And it says here, dig out a genuine meteor. And it says there's a warning for children under 3 years old. In the back here, you're told what you get in the kit, which I'll be telling you guys later on in the video. This is what you're supposed to get too. And I bought this for $208,000, so if you guys want to buy it, it might be online or something like that. I bought it in Good Media, hashtag not sponsored, of course, and all. But yeah, this is the side box and all that. Now, without further ado, let's just open this up together. So here I got a cutter, so be careful kids if you are using a cutter too. Now we're just gonna open the top. This is actually a very sharp cutter. If you watch my drone video, you know that. I fell it there. So yeah, put this trash aside, and this is it. Now let us just open the box. And put the cutter aside too. So ready, this is what's inside the box. So that's it. It comes very neatly. So here we got the learning guide. And I think this is like the instructions and all of that. So this is like the instruction books. And here, whoa, what is this? Okay, I don't expect it to look like this, but look. So this is supposed to be like the meteor and all. So we're supposed to dig things, dig in this rock type of thing. This actually looks so cool. Oh my gosh, it's like a meteor like going down from the sky, I think. Sorry if I'm wrong. And in here we got what is it? Like the one that scrape it. It's two-sided, so this is the first side of it. And this is the other side of it. And also, we got a brush right here. Got a brush. Okay, it's not focusing, but we got a brush. And we got a magnifying glass, which is a little bit scratched, but it's okay. So this is all we get here. I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be laying on the table to show you guys. So this is what you got. This is the overview of it. It's put inside these stuff and then in the box. Then wrapped in plastic again. Okay, so here it is. This is the meter. Don't it look so cool? It's like kinda in detailed. So yeah, let's just break this open, I guess. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use the cutter again. Open the plastic. Alright, so here it is. Like a little bit of things fall, but it's okay. Here it is. It's like more to, I don't know how you call it, but it kind of easily breaks. I prepared a bucket here just in case we need to put in water, but this is not how I expected it to look like. But let's just open this thing up. So make sure you guys close the cutter and don't put it too closely. So I'm gonna put it in the orange basket here so that it don't really get messy all over the table, because I don't want that to happen. And so now let's just get digging, I guess. How easy is this to break? Oh, it's pretty easy to break, so yeah, it's actually beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. Just don't expect it to look like this. Oh my gosh. Should I wear a mask? Yeah, I'll be wearing a mask because I'll need a mask because there's like this little just powder thing that's going everywhere, and I don't want to smell it. So here I am. The mask. Ooh, it's easier than I thought it would be, isn't it? Yeah, let's use the brush. See, when you're doing the brush, I don't know if you can see, but there's like powder flying around. Yeah, I think you can see in the camera. I don't want to breathe in that, so I'm using a mask. Alright, so this is on top of my camera. Put my camera on top, so it's a better angle for you guys to see me dig. There's like I want to show you guys something. So I don't know if that's rock right there. That's yellow thing. I think that's rock. So it's hard for me to like go through it because there's rock. See the yellow thing right there? Yep, right there. So try getting it out. I don't find two rocks. So there's supposed to be one meteorite and one tiktite. So where's the tiktite? Or where's the... Oh, nope, I break it. Here you go. I'm guessing this is the meteor, iron meteor. So this is cool. This is the iron meteor. Right here, I'm gonna be cleaning it underwater, inside of water later. But this is it. This is the first stone. This is the iron meteor. But if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Or it could be the tiktite. I don't know. Just compare. Let's find the other stones down in here. Alright guys, so change of plans. We're gonna dip all of these. I'm gonna get a water and put all of this rock in the water. Oh, you guys can't see, I'm sorry. We're gonna put all these rocks in the water and see if we can find the other stone, which is the iron meteorite. So let's just hope this can dissolve in water. I'm pretty sure it does. So let's go. Alright guys, so I pretty much transferred here also. Wash my hand just with water, rinse it. So here, and now we're gonna pour it little by little inside the water. But in case of anything, I'll be getting water, put another bowl, put it aside just in case. And yeah, let's keep it with this magnifying glass. Okay, I don't know why I did this, but I did. No rocks. How come they give it super tiny? Or does it break easily? But I don't think so. So I'm gonna be draining the water now. And then I'll give you guys an update. So that's the stone we find right there. And this is the what we can find that we took water, and that's just that. Drain it. So based on my eyes right now, I don't see no second stones. So clearly a bit disappointed. I don't know what to do, like ask National Geographic or what. But yeah, so I should ask because I paid a lot of money for that toy. Oh gosh. This is wherever the stone is. We got water. This is the mess I created filming this video. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be asking National Geographic if we are actually supposed to get 1 or 2 stones. I am going to be updating guys on my Instagram, link down in the description below. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you guys follow the health protocols again, like wearing a mask, washing your hands for 20 seconds, doing social distancing. If I just said any misinformation, I'm sorry. WHO link down in the description. Again, also make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and like this video. I will be like making this type of videos again, but maybe not science, maybe other products like toys and all that. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.